Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I want to talk about a frustrating error that some of you may have run into while trying to play the REMATCH beta. The game pops up with a message saying a D3D12-compatible GPU, feature level 12.0, shader model 6.6, is required to run the engine, and then it won't let you get in. Essentially, this error means that your graphics card or its drivers aren't presenting the exact level of DirectX 12 features that the Unreal Engine build of the game needs. Even if your GPU claims to support DirectX 12, it might not expose the specific feature level or shader model the developers have locked the engine to. If you've checked your card specs and you're still stuck, the very first thing I recommend is making sure your Windows installation is fully up to date. In many cases, people discovered that updating Windows 10 to the 22H2 build unlocked the missing feature level. You can do this by heading into Windows Update Settings, clicking Check for Updates, and allowing your system to download and install any patches. Sometimes it takes a couple of reboots before everything is in place. Once you're on the latest OS build, the game's requirement often falls into place. Next, head over to your GPU manufacturer's site or app and update your graphics drivers. A lot of confusion came from people thinking that installing GeForce Now somehow fixed the problem, but really, it's the NVIDIA Experience or Intel driver and support assistant that you need. Download the latest driver for your card, whether it's NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel, and install it. Even if your DirectX diagnostics say version 12, older drivers might not fully support shader model 6.6. After the driver install, give your PC another restart and then try launching REMATCH again. If you're still met with that same error, take a moment to run the DirectX diagnostic tool. Press Win+R, type dxdiag and look under the Display tab. You'll see a list of supported feature levels. If you don't see at least 12_0, your hardware simply isn't meeting the game's requirements. Sometimes integrated GPUs, especially older Intel ones, advertise DirectX 12 but stop at feature level 11_1 or lack the advanced shader support. In that case, software fixes won't help, only a newer GPU will. Finally, if you're really keen to play but can't meet those specs, keep an eye on the developers' updates. Several folks in the community have been asking for official DirectX 11 or Vulkan support, which would open up the game to a lot more hardware. Right now it's locked to a strict D3D12 profile, but as the beta progresses they may introduce legacy API options. For now, updating Windows and your drivers, and confirming your feature levels, are the best ways to get you into the game.